This is the radio museum. As you can see, the video has been kept to low resolution so that it won't take much space. Banner for today's attempt: Man Ki Baat Radio Museum, World Radio Day, 13th of Feb 2024. The theme is Radio, a century informing, entertaining and educating. This theme is decided by UNESCO, so we have got it printed here. Guinness World Record attempt for largest number of different radio sets. This attempt by Ram Singh Bodh, and the venue is Siddha Inter College, Budnagar, Gajola. Post Bhartegram 244223 is the pin. This museum is situated in district Amroha, Uttar Pradesh, India. Mobile name of the person is 9412139029 and email is mkbmuseum@gmail.com. Okay, this is how the radios have been kept. Here also you can see the number of radios, more number. This museum houses almost 1500 radios, and let us see how much we can have it for this attempt today. We are going to count the different number only and not repeating the same ones. So let me show you like this. So these are the racks in which we have kept radios, numbering from 1 to 9. 1 to 9 number radios are being kept in this rack. We will be opening these racks and showing you all the details and verifying with the list we have got printed. 1 to 9 is done. 10 to 32 are in this rack. We will be showing you later. 33 to 34 in this, and then 44 is done. Now 45 to 56 in this. Okay. From 56, because 56 is done there, so we are moving to 57. 57 to 75 in this rack. 76 to 93 in this, and now 94 to 109 in this. One 10 starts from here to 118, it finishes. Now we will see for 119. So 119 is this number, and from 119 to 130 radios are being kept in this. Similarly, again 131 to 140 radios are being kept in this rack. From 141 number to 148 number radios are kept in this box. From 149 to 168 are being kept in this box. We are going to take out radios, means every radio we will be taking out and showing you and matching it with the list. That list is being sent to Guinness already, and again we will be sending the edited version after checking how many radios we have got in total and the different ones. So 169 to 190 number is here. 191 to 212. Similarly, like this, we are going to count each and every one of them. You can see the number of radios and the amount of collection. Humongous collection we have got. So because we are going to take attempt, so we are not allowing anybody else right now inside. We require some peace of mind like this, so that nobody could disturb. This is the museum, as you have already seen. The museum has been praised by Prime Minister of India. He is doing a podcast on radio since 2014, and that program name is Man Ki Baat. In that Man Ki Baat episode, only in the 100th episode, UNESCO chief interacted with the Prime Minister, and in the 107th episode, the Prime Minister praised Mr. Ram Singh Bodh, the curator of this museum. So these all are radios. Everywhere you can see that radios are being kept. Video is kept to low resolution because it won't be possible to keep such a high resolution and upload on that particular website. So we will be sending you high resolution short video and the photographs in separately. So as you have already seen the museum, we will now start the attempt. We will start counting radios from this, opening this box from 1 to 9. Now for a demo, he will be opening that box and showing you radios from 1 to 9. Okay, so we have numbered them. Okay, start from number 1. Show me that number 1 radio. Take all of them out. I will show you. Which number is printed on this?
This is number 8.
Number 8. Okay. Show me number 1 and then we will go in numerical order. This is number
5.
Okay. Keep telling me the numbers.
This is number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Start from number 1.
This is number 1.
Okay, number 1. We can see that a small amount of dust is there because radios these have been kept since long. This is number 1 radio and the model name is DR142. Take the list and confirm it from that list.
And this is number 2.
This is number 2. Okay, bring that list and confirm it. Bring that list. Where is the list? These are also radios, as you can see. This is the largest radio here, biggest one, 1 meter. This one is also a radio. Show me that number 1. What is?
Bring it here.
Number
this
1.
Is number 1. DR142.
DR142. Confirm it from that radio.
And this is number 2. 15 DR.
Confirm the model number. Confirm the model. Bring that radio here and confirm the model number.
This is number 1.
This is number 1.
DR142.
Model number DR142. As
And
you
here
can see.
it is DR142.
You can. Okay.
See it here, DR142.
Okay.
And here
Confirm
it
it.
is
Confirm
DR142.
it. Mark it.
So
Mark it done.
This one is confirmed.
Confirmed. Okay. Okay. Just mark it like this only. Okay. Done. This one. Bring that number 2.
This one is number 2. 15 DR.
Confirm the model number.
And the model number is.
So this is Philips radio. The model number is 15 DR/4700. So marking it here again. This is also done. Bring number 3. Take out the number 3 one. This is number 3 Philips radio.
DR173.
Where is the model number?
Model number is down.
We will be finding the model number.
Here it is.
DR173. Confirm
And
it.
here it is DR173.
Okay. Mark it. Mark
So
it.
we are confirming it here. And now,
Where is number 4?
now here is number 4.
Which one is number 4? Number 4 again is Philips radio. And it is 3-band radio.
And here it is 3-band 197.
197. Okay. 197 is the model number, as you can see this one. Okay, confirm it.
And here it is also written 3-band 197. So we are confirming the number 4.
Okay.
And
Number
now
5.
the number 5. Here it is.
This is number 5. This is a Philips radio again.
DR481.
Okay, confirmed.
And here it is also written DR481, number 5. So
Confirmed.
this one is confirmed. And now number 6.
6.
Philips.
Take out. This is number 7. Okay.
This is
Number 6 is here. Number 6.
Number
This
6.
is again a
Black
Philips
chip
radio.
DR173.
Okay, black chip. Yeah, here it is written black chip.
black chip.
Okay, confirm it in the list.
And here it is also written black chip DR173. So this one is also confirmed.
Okay,
And now number 7.
number 7, where it is? Let's find that number 7.
Here, no.
Oh, 7 is here. This is again a Philips radio.
DR122.
DR.
122.
Okay.
Here it is.
DR122. Here is the model number. Okay.
And in the list also, here is written DR122. So number 7 is also confirmed.
Okay.
And now number 8. This is also a Philips radio, and which is DR482. Here it is.
Show me the number, model number.
Here.
Okay. Turbo DR482.
Yeah. This is a Philips radio.
Okay, DR482. Confirm it.
And in the list also it is written here DR482. So number 8 is also confirmed. And now number 9. This
Number
is
9.
again a Philips radio, which is AR538. And number 9 is there.
Number 9. The model number of,
AR538.
what is that model number in list?
AR538.
AR538. Let me see where it is the model number written.
Maybe it is the downside of the radio.
Okay, reversing this radio, we will try to search the model number. What is that?
AR538.
AR538
538.
Tropicana radio.
Here it is.
Okay, here is the model number AR538. So this way we have counted nine number radio.
And here also this is written AR538. So we are confirming number 9 also. Here it is written.
Done. So this box has been done. We will be keeping them
And now
back.
we are starting with the second box, which is from 10 to 12, 10 to 32.
Yeah, 10 to 32. Now we will
So
see.
now here we are beginning with from number 10 to number 32, which are in this box.
Okay. 10 to 32. I will take out the radio. Pause it. Pause.